Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. My first video clip didn't turn out, so you're going to see the end product first now. But we're making this 4-patch baby quilt, and I have an announcement at the end of the video.
I got these 2 packs of jelly rolls at a Christmas craft fair a couple years ago. This is Island Batiks London Fog. It's probably no longer available. And In the Navy by Wilmington. This is just a blue batik. I'm not sure what brand that is, come to think of it. That's going to be the backing. This is going to be the borders and the binding. And this will be my 4 patches. And then I will just use some white for the alternating squares. So let me get these all cut out and then we can get started sewing. Okay, I'm going to start by just putting 2 pieces together. These are batiks, so it's like they're both right sides. And I will just sew them together. Okay, I've got them pressed. I have this half pressed this way and this half pressed this way. So now when I put them together, the seams will nest and lock. And then I just sew along here, and we should have a nice corner. Okay, I have got the 4 patches done and pressed, and so now I'm just going to attach one to the plain block, and we'll put those in pairs, and then we'll start putting the rows together. Okay, I've pressed the seam to the 4-patch, and I've laid these out in rows. We've got them alternating in the row, but also the rows are alternating. So I will get these sewn together the same way I sewed the patches in the 4 patches, and I will see you when the top is done. Okay, the top is done. I had 78 4 patches and 78 plain squares. And this probably would have been better with an ivory or a cream background, but white is what I had, so that's what I used. So now I just need to put on some borders. I'm going to have put them on the left and right, and then I'll attach them to the top and bottom. And then I will be ready to sandwich it, and then we will get it quilted. So I'll get back with you when it's all put together. Okay, I have the quilt top finished. It's sandwiched and basted. I still need to do the pre-quilting of stitching in the ditch. For the 4 patches, I'm going to quilt the, I don't know what you call it, the typical, like, it's not the orange peels. The orange peels go like this. I don't know, I don't remember what this one's called, where you just like have the 4 petals in each corner. And then for the white ones, I'm going to use this stencil. And I'm going to get some blue chalk. And hopefully that's enough for me to see. And then what you do is you get some really cheapo hairspray, and you spray it so that the chalk doesn't come off so easy. And now I've got my stitch line. So let me get that all done, and then we will start quilting. Okay, the quilt is all finished and washed so that you could see it without the chalk lines on it and the little bit of crinkle that it has. So this is a fairly easy quilt, a lot easier if you don't do a bunch of quilting in the middle. But you could easily just do big X's all through and make it a very simple quilt, very quick, and it would still be cute and cozy. So I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.
First, I'd like to thank you so much for the support and comments that you guys have given me, and I want to apologize for not having videos the last few weeks, but there has been some family health issues, and my husband is still recovering from hip surgery, and I have been under a lot of stress trying to figure out what video to do for the following week. Putting a video out each week has been very stressful, and it's gotten to the point where I'm trying to figure out something to do just to have a video and not because I need something. So I had to remind myself that this is my hobby and not my job. So if I don't have a project, there will not be a video. I still have some projects to do, but between the health issues, the stress, my depression, there probably won't be one for a little while because I kind of got quilting burnout. So when I have a project, there will be another video. But again, thank you for your support and for watching.